coffee and a breakfast before we tackle the pass. Okay, trying something different today. Got a rooster crowing in the background there. This is our first stop at Café La Vita. It's behind me there. First stop from Cape Town. We are at the base basically of Bainskloof. I'm squinting because it's very bright. I should have brought sunglasses for today. I'm going to try and fly my drone a little bit and try and get some footage, but looking at the way things are, it's extremely bright and there is a lot of cloud cover, so we'll see how it goes. Looks like it's going to be a good day, so let's get ourselves down the road a little bit and go and ride Bainskloof. Bainskloof, 25 kilometers. There is a spot along here somewhere where I marked on my GPS rather, of where I wanted to stop and fly my drone for a little bit, and I just want to make sure I'm not in anyone's way, so I'll go a little bit further along. Let's park here. In the shade. That'll do. I can hear a bit of traffic coming as well, and it sounds like a GS. So what we'll do is see who's coming past us. So, Old Morris Manor. That's cool. And sounds like a very old BM. Very nice bike. I've seen quite a few bikes today, old classics going down the road. So let's get the drone up, have a look-see, and then we can carry on with our journey along Bainskloof Pass. Sun's come out nicely for us. Here's where we stop. Let's not stop by the trash. Let's stop a little further. Ooh, lots of cobbles. This is a good spot, I reckon. Behind me here is Wellington, and we've just come up the Bainskloof Pass up to the top where the main sign is. And I'm busy watching a lot of classic cars go past. In fact, here's one who's just pulling in now. It's a Mercedes. Very nice. Great to see so many old classic cars on the road. I think it's a rally or something going on. So I'm actually on my way up to Ceres today, and Bainskloof was on my way, so I thought I'd just stop and get a few drone shots and then also record the route and make it part of my YouTube journeys. still on Bainskloof, almost finished now. It's getting very hot in the day now. Bike's doing well. Yeah, so it's getting hot, it's getting very hot. We're towards the end of the Bainskloof now. Our next stop is going to be, what is our next stop going to be? I'm not sure.